Hello friends and car enthusiasts.
First, I need to say thank you to the owner of the car because accept to make this video. In this video you'll see a Honda Civic bagged on BBS rims tuning project. Before was like in factory like a normal Honda Civic, then owner start to modify. Change coilovers, change rims, then owner decide to install air ride suspension and already looks like another car. Then make some white body, change entire color of the car and with a clean and simple look. Congrats to the owner. Do you like Honda on air suspension?
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
Owner of the car want to show his project to inspire you and for new ideas in your project. If you have any question about this car, you will find in the description a link to the owner of the car. In this way you will make new friends and you can change opinion and ideas. Next I will let you to see the video and I hope you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.